So what comes to mind for me with this program is that it felt to me like a paradigm shift. It was as though the perspective, the way I view the world, the lens with which I look at other people and my life shifted.
After this, I actually started blooming. Like from money to relationships to material stuff to connecting to Mother Earth, being connected to spirit, my psychic abilities. Like it's like a box that was waiting for it to be open. But first, I needed to do the work to get into that frequency and stay like this, centered.
It was packaged differently, where it was easier to understand, easier to apply. I was able to go down that road to solution a whole lot faster than I've done in the past.
I walked out opening up my my throat chakra to be able to communicate in truth and in alignment with what my heart feels and what my soul is communicating to me inside. So I walked away with what feels like an integration between the heart, the soul's messages, and my ability to speak it clearly.
Had so many moments in life where my higher self said go left, but I consult someone else and they say no, you should go right, and I do, and it ends up in something not great for me. So what I want is the freedom to be in full alignment with my inner compass, and that's what this is giving me.
Because it was structured, that really helped me, because then you've got to go to and you get to, where you need to get to, right? Now I kind of feel like, oh yeah, I've got a set way to deal with problems now, right? Or issues or emotions or whatever it might be.
Since my initial sort of aha moment of like, oh my goodness, this thing actually works, I've been able to use it at times when I was facing some of the most challenging circumstances that I've ever experienced. And we're talking about, the loss of the people closest to us and coming to a sense of peace within that. It's been amazing. It's been completely transformational. It's been completely game-changing.
There was something about the way Katya brought information in and organized it in a certain fashion that it sort of landed in my body differently than any other course I'd taken. I've been taking success courses and all kinds of other courses for about a decade now. I don't exactly know what she did. I just know that it worked for me, and I was able to dive right in and make the changes that were necessary. And I've seen immediate results, not only in my own life, like literally sometimes to the minute after I finish a process, I would get a change in my outer environment.
I see the change in how I respond when it comes to, triggers and being activated. Just, the ability to maintain a sense of stability within those versus just being swept up in them.
And it's still a crazy, wild ride, but I feel more in control. I feel like I'm more in the driver's seat of my life, which is a huge blessing. And I get triggered less, and I get to create more magic and miracles in my life. So thank you for however I got introduced to it, and I'm so thankful that I said yes.
Paradigm and like the tool itself was birthed through Katya. So it's like these codes that I think many of us are searching for, like how do we get from here to there? And so Katya embodies that, but also really supports us. This is a really unique human and also incredible tooling and program that she offers.